Hello all, congratulations on having Emtex Dot pen marking machine. Now we would be showing you how to unbox and assemble a dot pen marking machine which you have received. You must have received two boxes. This is one box and another one is that one, on which you can see the packing list as well. This shows what all are the contents in this box. So now let us begin with this unboxing. First you can open the box and you will find few mechanical parts. You can place the components safely aside where you want to install the machine. Here you can see this is the base plate of the machine on which you can place your components, and we will first unwrap. This one is the guide rails for the head of the marking. So these would be the two components in the first box. Now here first you can see at this side that these are all the components which you would be finding in the box, and you can see or you can count all of them when you receive this box. This is the marking head. This is the controller. This is a touch screen based controller in which you do not require a PC or a desktop to run the machine. Here you can see the model number and the serial number of the machine. And here you can find all the other components. This one is the foot switch. This one is 19-pin series cable. This is used for all the data transfer between the digital drives and the analog motors. This one is the filter regulator. This is used to actually regulate the pressure of the air, which would be using for intending into the part. This is the hand wheel. We would be showing you how to assemble this in the next video. This is the intending pin. We have different diameter pins. This one is like 4 mm. We do have 2 mm and 3 mm as well. This one is the power cable. This is the normal power cable, and this one would be used to power on the controller. This one is the mouse to use the features in the touch screen. This is the keyboard. In the next video you can see how to assemble this machine.